Hello, my name is Ville and welcome to the Fingertip app walkthrough. In this video, we will go through an example use case of investing money in a company. Along the journey, we will create a decision about the investment, discuss the decision in a meeting, and eventually adding the investment in a portfolio in a plan. So let's get straight into it. Here I'm in the Fingertip home screen. I have my own work queue, jobs to be done, my recent items, and then items promoted by my organization. But let's start from new item. I will first create the decision about this investment. I have this title of investing 2.5 million for this Acme Green Tech company. I will invite relevant stakeholders for this. So I want to invite a whole team's group in my organization to take part in this decision-making process. So we have a group of people here, and let's just create this decision. So now we have this decision created. This is my workspace for the decision. I have all the people added under the people tab, which is good. I could add more tasks or objectives regarding this decision. I could promote this item to everyone in the Teams channel or send personal chat messages to them, or even add an official file to this one that we are approving. You could actually do that now by clicking the Browse Teams button. We will select the team in my company. And now we have this example file of investing in Acme Tech PowerPoint file. Let's click that. And now it has been added into this decision. But let's move this decision forward. So currently we are in the surface. I'm drafting around. I'm adding all the people, all the relevant stuff into this decision. But now I'm actually proposing this to the stakeholders. So here I'm actually writing the decision text. So we say how much we are investing, what are the expectations, who is the accountable for this, and then we have our file as well. So we could make this file official part of this by clicking Mark as official. So now this file plays an official part in this decision. Let's propose this decision. Now we can see that the decision has been moved forward. And in the People tab, you can see that everyone's stances have been requested. I could give my own stance. So I think that this is very good. I support it. And then other people here, looks like Konsta has already given his stance to this one. So already 2 people are supporting this decision. But next we could actually create a meeting. So let's go to the main level and select meetings. Let's create a new meeting, setting the title for investment board meeting and the description for that, and then also inviting the relevant stakeholders. Let's create. And like in the decisions, we have also the workspace for the meeting. On the right-hand side, I have the agenda, which is currently empty. But let's create a new agenda item to get this started. The first item could be opening words. I can set a timing for this, add the item. Second item could be new investments, set the timing for that. And the third item could be investment decisions. And we can easily link our decision to this meeting agenda item. And then we could talk about this decision for 15 minutes. Select add. And now you can see that this decision has been linked into this meeting agenda item. And the last item could be the action items. So for action, we could actually create one task for this. So all the tasks created during this meeting are listed under this item. Let's put the title. Let's say it's already in progress. Put some priority, set the due date for 2 days from now, and create that. Add the agenda item. You will see that the task has also been linked in this agenda item. But let's say this meeting actually starts now. We will move to the invite phase. And by sending this invite phase, now all the stakeholders in this meeting will get a calendar invite. So they actually get a Teams meeting invite from this action. And when the meeting starts, let's select the meeting phase. And as we go through the meeting, we will select this item has been now completed. We have now also talked about the new investments that has been completed. And when we come to these investment decisions, we can actually very easily select the decision here and see how much support have we gotten. We have gotten 2 stances, but that is enough so we can, during the meeting, give the final approval to this decision. So now you can see it has been approved. So well done. Let's move back to the meeting. And so this part has also been completed, and also the action items, well done. And that's enough for me to close the meeting. Next, we could create a plan. Plan is an object for portfolios, collecting everything, categorizing, and so on. So let's select a new plan. This plan could be Must Win Battles 2022. And let's also invite a couple of stakeholders in this plan as well. Set the timing and create. And now we are in the plan workspace. We could actually, as the first thing, we could add all the items we have created so far in this walkthrough. So we have this decision, we have a task, we have a meeting, and we also have that one file here. So we could add all of these in this must-win battles plan, like so. And then if you expand these items, you will see exactly from this screen the whole meeting agenda, for example. Or if you expand this decision, you will see all the related items to this decision. But next step we could do is that we can add this plan to a master plan. So we have this strategy 2022, and in this plan, we could search for plans. And here we have our must-win battles 2022, add items, it comes to the list. And now I can expand this plan so I see all the items that I just created from that plan in here. So it's very good for portfolio management as well. Let's move back to the main level. We have also the tasks. Here we have the tasks created. I could easily move it to done or back to do, edit it as I want to. But let's go back to the home screen, and here in the tasks, I'm able to see what I need to do. So if we expand the tasks, I can see that I need to do this task in 2 days. Also, we have the plan here when I set the end date within 3 days. So it's easily displaying all the stuff that I need to do in Fingertip today. In the last item, we could actually promote the plan we created. So we have the must-win battles here. Select add, and now I'm promoting this whole plan for the whole organization. So that's it. Simple use case with Fingertip. Thank you for your time, and hopefully you enjoyed this and have a nice day.
Fingertip, the easy way to lead.